Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a really good day. So I'm back today with another Linjer unboxing and review, and if you're new to the channel then I have worked with Linjer previously, so I'll pop a little playlist of all the videos I've made with Linjer so far. And yeah, I'm back today with another one, and that just goes to show how much I love the brand. And yeah, I'm really excited to be filming another video for you today. So I've got a couple of new pieces, and again Linjer have been kind enough to give you guys a discount code which you can use at checkout, and I'll pop it on the screen. I think it's just my name, Faith Ella, in caps, and then I'll also leave a link in the description which you can shop through as well. I don't earn any commission through this, but it's a nice little way to give back and say thank you. Perfect if you're on the hunt for any gifts or you just want to treat yourself. I couldn't recommend Linjer enough, so yeah, definitely make use of the discount code if you are thinking of shopping, and let me know in the comments what you do pick up. So I'll just quickly run through a few facts about the brand if you haven't already heard of them. Linjer is a female-founded business based in Norway, and it has a mission to empower women across the world with their sustainable luxe minimalistic jewellery pieces, which also come at a very affordable price point. And yeah, what I love most about the brand is that they are a sustainable brand. Also, you can get some really luxurious pieces for really reasonable prices, and yeah, the quality of them doesn't go missed even though they are more affordable. Yeah, absolutely love Linjer. Can't rave enough about all the beautiful designs they have. It's definitely something for everyone. Yeah, these pieces just make amazing gifts for your loved ones as well. So what makes Linjer sustainable is that they use recycled gold and silver jewellery, and then they also use lab-grown diamonds in a few of their pieces which are conflict-free. Conflict-free diamonds are not used to fund conflict, human rights abuse, and also environmental degradation as well. So yeah, they're sourced from legal, reputable sources. So yeah, they're much more ethical, which is really good. And again, Linjer also uses sustainable packaging which you can recycle, as well as offsetting carbon emissions for every shipment. So yeah, I'm really happy that we're supporting a sustainable brand if we buy through Linjer, and then they're able to keep their costs low because they sell directly to the consumer without having any stores on the high streets. So yeah, it just helps to keep their costs low, so that's why they are more affordable than your typical high street jewellery brands. But yeah, you're still getting gorgeous pieces. It just means that they're able to keep their costs down. So that's another win for Linjer. So you'll see if you go to the Linjer website that they've got a huge range of beautiful pieces in 3 different metal types. So we've got sterling silver, which is typically what I tend to buy out on a day-to-day basis. But then I do switch out between gold vermeil and also the solid gold pieces that they have to offer as well. So I think in my previous video I sort of reviewed a few of their gold vermeil pieces, and Linjer's gold vermeil uses a sterling silver base as well as a super thick layer of 22 karat gold. So this just means it will last a lot longer than your typical fashion accessories like high street brands jewellery. If you've ever bought from those sorts of places, then you'll know once you wash your hands you tend to get like green stains, and yeah, the jewellery just tarnishes, and then yeah, over time it will just go rusty and not very good quality. So the gold vermeil pieces from Linjer don't tend to do that, and they will last you a lot longer. So they are slightly more affordable for that reason than the solid gold pieces, just because they aren't pure solid gold, but they do have a super thick layer of 22 karat gold. So yeah, I really love the gold vermeil pieces from Linjer. There's a huge range to choose from, and like I said, they do last a really long time. It does have a slightly different hue to it. It's sort of more of an orangey copper gold as opposed to like a yellow gold, but it's still beautiful. And I'll show you a comparison because I've actually picked up some solid gold today, which I haven't ever tried, and I'm super excited because solid gold pieces are basically designed to last a lifetime, and you can pass them through your generations because yeah, they're just gonna last and last, and that's why they are more pricey, but it is worth paying a bit more for pieces that are gonna last a lifetime. And yeah, these pieces are just extra special. So yeah, going back to the gold vermeil, Linjer's plating is 2.5 to 3 microns thick, which is actually 5 times thicker than regular gold plated jewellery, and actually 10 times thicker than flash plated jewellery. So yeah, that just goes to show how much longer it's gonna last, and that you're actually getting value for money as well. So yeah, highly recommend if you're on more of a budget to go for the gold vermeil. These pieces are beautiful too. Yeah, like I said, I'll show you sort of a comparison. And then going back to solid gold, they are designed to last a lifetime, so it means they're not going to tarnish if you wear them in the shower, get them wet or anything. And Linjer's gold is also hypoallergenic, so perfect for anybody with allergies. And then they also have a wide range of different birthstones and gemstones in a lot of their pieces as well. So yeah, there's so many stunning pieces, and I'm so happy to have been able to choose a couple more to show you today. Yeah, super grateful, and yeah, again, I'm absolutely in love. So I'll get on and do sort of like an unboxing, show you how they come packaged, and then show you the two pieces that I picked out. But yeah, like I said, I've got a few more of these videos if you wanted to go and have a look. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing. So I think they've recently changed their packaging from my last video. So we've got a cardboard box, which is standard, but they've added a little message inside, which is really cute. And then this time we've got a little personalised note from the brand. Yeah, it just says, "Hi Faithella, hope you love your new pieces. Love the Linjer team." So yeah, that makes a nice touch. And then we've also got another piece of card which just has a message from the co-founders and designers, basically saying how they started out the brand and what their mission is. So that's a nice personal touch as well. But yeah, these can also be recycled if you didn't want to keep them. So, and then this is also a new thing that they've added. So got a little bag which I think is going to be really handy for travelling. Yeah, you can just pop your jewellery in here. Nice little bag to keep it safe. But yeah, it just says "Stay Golden." I'm not sure if this has just come because I've ordered a solid gold piece, but I know they have changed their packaging anyway, so it is different to last time. So yeah, I'm not sure if this is a new edition or if it just comes with the solid gold pieces, but I'll find that out and leave it in the description if you're interested. So yeah, that's the box that it comes in. And then I've ordered 2 jewellery pieces and an accessory to show you as well. So yeah, how cute. The boxes come like this with a little ribbon. So we'll just open this. And then inside we've got this gorgeous classy blue navy pouch. You would have seen in my previous videos that these have been pink, so it seems like they've changed it to a navy blue, which is a bit more classy and feels a bit more luxurious. And then when we take this out, it comes with a little card that tells you what you've ordered, so I'll show you that piece in a minute. And then we've also got a little card inside which just tells you about how to care for the jewellery, the warranty, sustainability, and then all about their materials as well. And then inside the box it's got a little message again, and then it just says that in the middle. So yeah, that's a really cute little box, and I really love how it comes packaged. So yeah, it makes a really lovely gift for somebody to open the little box like this and then see the pouch waiting for them. So yeah, just makes a perfect gift for somebody. So let's get on to show you the first piece I picked out. This is the solid gold piece, so I'm super excited to try the solid gold for the first time. But yeah, I absolutely fell in love with all of their solid gold pieces. They are a lot more on the pricey side, but this one is sort of a more reasonable price. So if you were looking to treat somebody to a solid gold piece but you didn't want to spend loads and loads, then this is a really lovely option. But yeah, I'll show you. So this is the gorgeous Anya ring, and we've got a diamond bezel in the middle there. So like I was saying earlier, this is a lab grown diamond. So yeah, much better working conditions for these lab grown diamonds, but they're still just as beautiful. And yeah, when this hits the light, it's just absolutely stunning. Yeah, this solid gold is absolutely gorgeous too. It's a really nice shade of gold. So pop that one on now. Please excuse how dry my hands are. It's what winter does to them, but yeah, how gorgeous. I'm absolutely over the moon with this one. And yeah, I love how dainty it is and classy. And yeah, you can stack this to sort of make it a bit more bold, or if you just wore it on its own, it's a really classy and beautiful ring. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be looking after this one and passing it down through the generations. Hopefully if I have a little girl, or I could pass it down to my sister. Yeah, it just is an extra special piece that I'm going to cherish forever. So yeah, this is the solid gold, and I'll just compare it to the gold Vermeil that I picked out last time. So I'm not too sure if that's focusing very well, but I've popped two, yeah, I've just popped 2 gold Vermeil rings on next to the solid gold. So yeah, this is more of like a stacking ring, and then this one has a beautiful gemstone called citrine in it. But yeah, as you can see, the gold vermeil is a lot more sort of orangey toned, and then the solid gold is a little bit more yellow. But yeah, they pair so beautifully together as well. So yeah, you can't really tell too much that they're different tones, but even if you can tell, that they still look good together. And yeah, the gold vermeil is a lot more affordable. I'm super happy I've got a solid gold piece in my collection now, so yeah, it's just going to last me a lifetime. They have some absolutely stunning rings with big gemstones and lots more diamonds in them. Yeah, they have some really gorgeous pieces, and I'm hoping next time I can show you one of those, something a little bit more statement. These rings are a little bit more dainty, but I do love that about them because you can wear them every day and they're super minimal and classy and just go with everything. And then the next piece I picked out is actually sterling silver, so like I said, I do tend to wear sterling silver a lot more, but I do like to switch out every now and then and wear some gold pieces. So yeah, I'm really happy I'm able to grow a little collection of both. I tend to wear gold a lot more when I'm on holiday, when I've got a bit more of a tan. I'm feeling a bit pale right now, but yeah, the gold for the tan just looks incredible. So, but yeah, the next piece are these gorgeous little stud earrings. So these are the Selma earrings, I think they're called. But yeah, I just thought these were stunning. I think they do have them in gold as well, so I might pick those out next time to go with my other gold pieces. But yeah, I was on the hunt for some new studs, and when I saw these I fell in love. And yeah, they're just absolutely stunning. So whenever they catch the light, they look really pretty. I think I might keep these more for special occasions, but I just thought I'd pop them in now to show you how they look. So that was both of the jewellery pieces I picked out, and then I've got one more thing to show you. So I also picked out this gorgeous little jewellery case. I think if you've watched one of my other videos, I do already have one of these, but I just thought I'd pick out another, just because these are super handy for travelling and day to day. I live between my mum's and my boyfriend's, so having a cute little thing to put my jewellery in is really handy. So I'm going to keep one for my silver pieces and then one for my gold. And yeah, it just fits a couple of rings in there. You could put earrings or bracelets or a necklace in here. And then yeah, it just says Linjer, and then we've also got Linjer on the little zip here. And yeah, super high quality, keeps your jewellery nice and safe, and just a really cute little handy thing to throw in your bag for overnight stays or even going on holiday. If you're not taking too much jewellery, this is perfect. So that was everything I picked up from Linjer this time. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you've got any questions then please feel free to message me in the comments. And yeah, don't forget to use my code FaithElla to save at checkout, and if you like the video please subscribe. So again, a massive thank you to Linjer for sending me these pieces. I'm absolutely in love, and yeah, my love for the brand just continues to grow. Hopefully I can show you some more pieces soon. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you know what you want.